Hello, my friends. Birdman316 here once again. I'm sure everyone has seen this before. This is modeled after, I guess you could say, the Fender 72 thinline, which I guess had the two humbuckers in it. They call it the F-hole, S-hole, or whatever you call it. The sound hole, semi-hollow design guitar here. This one has the bent steel saddles on it, the humbuckers. One volume, one tone, which these knobs are not stock. It came with the chrome domes, and it came with a barrel switch tip. I just had to make it my own. What can this thing be if it's not a Fender? Well, funny you should ask, my friends. Here we go. We're traveling up the neck here, which is a very gorgeous amber tinted neck anyway. There we go. We're getting closer. Oh! Okay, I'll quit playing. Here we go. It's a Donna. It was on sale. And as Jimmy Stewart always says, if it's on sale, what do we do, guys? What do we do? What do we do? We buy it. Here we go. This one was on sale for like $109 on Amazon. And with taxes and everything, it was $117-ish. But normally this guitar, I think this thing goes for like $159 or $169 regular price. I'm not sure, but there has been hundreds of reviews on this one. So I won't go into a deep dive review, but I will tell you what I did with these humbuckers. So all stock, except for these knobs and switch tip. These humbuckers have been adjusted as if Peter Green would have a Telecaster. This bass side is right there, dead even flush, or just a little bit more than flush with this scratch plate here, scratch scar. So, and it does make a difference, guys. Trust me, it does. And this side here is more or less the original height. I just wanted to double check and make sure that one was not louder than the other one. And then a little cheater sounder. And this is stringed through. It goes right down through there like that. You can see the. And I'll show you the back side of the guitar here. I did take a weight on this thing. I'll have the weight up after this film here. Got your Donner back plate, neck plate there. Okay, now it's stringed through, or you can convert it if you like to top loader. You can see the holes there in the bridge. Now there's been a debate for years that which guitar sounds better, stringed through or top loader. Well, let me ask you guys a question. Aren't Les Pauls top loading? You know what I mean? And they sound awesome. I guess it just depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for ease of maintenance and whatnot, and say you need to get up under the scratch plate for anything, right now the way it is with string through is going to pay a pain in the big toe. But if it was a top loader, you just loosen all the strings, put you a capo right here so you won't mess anything up in there, and just take this bridge off. You got like 2 screws up front and you got 3 in the back. Take the whole bridge and lay it aside and get up under there and do anything you need to do. Pickup goes out. Switch goes bad. Pot goes out. It just makes it a lot easier for maintenance and whatnot to have it string top loading. But that's just my 2 cents. I'm sure there's hundreds of other opinions out there too as well. But this thing is a nice guitar. I tested it. I weighed it. I'll have the weight at the end of this little film right here, and then I'll probably go into some playing and stuff. Like I said, this thing has the original pickups in it. Everything, all original. These pickups are pretty warm. I'm not sure what the settings are, but the numbers. I'll take some numbers and whatnot, and I'll let you guys know what I find. 7 pounds, 4 ounces. Or 3.3 kilograms. What is happening, guys? Birdman 316 here once again with the Donner version of the 72 Thin Line Telly by You Know Who. It's a clone, of course. Let me show you. There we go, Donna. It's got the, I believe they call it an F hole cutout. But now the knobs and the switch tip are not original, as I stated in the Waffle and Chat film. And I think I'll double check and make sure I get the weight of this one. It's not very heavy. I'd say maybe 7 pounds tops, but we'll find out. I'll double check and make sure. Let's go over some tones. We are on the neck. I think the string tooted. Let's check, see how sensitive the volume control is. Let's do it on this section here like this. We're on 1, 0. Let's play it acoustically for a second. It does seem to come in. About 1, it kind of jumps just a little bit, but it's not horrible. That's good. Bring it up to about 3. 2.5, 3. Quicker 4. Forgot I had the overdrive on. My bad. Roll 4. Let's bring it up to about 6. 7, 8. Now we're on 10. Oops. Yeah, the overdrive amp is on. Sorry about that, guys. I was messing around the other day and forgot to turn it off. But anyway, let's move to the middle position where we're on both. Let's play with the tone control. We'll do it with this section here like that. I'm not sure what chord this is, but sounds good, whatever it is. Bring the tone control down to 8. 6. 4. 3. 2. 1. Now this tone control pot has a nice, I guess you can say, taper, because I'm guessing one's a A and one's a B. I'm guessing the B is the volume. A lot of these import model guitars, the volumes are usually B. I think that's for linear. It seems that the A would be on the volume for audio taper, but anyway, it's just, hey, I'm just a hobbyist. What do I know, right? But anyway, this volume control seems like it has a little bit of a jump between 1 and 2. Let's back it on down and I'll let you hear it. Totally acoustic. Yep. It's got a little bit of a jump between 1 and 2, but it's not bad. I mean, I've seen a whole lot worse though. In other words, both these pots are staying in here. I might replace that switch though, because it's the little cheesy, I'm sure it's a cheesy, I guess I don't know, the little circuit board type switch. It's not actually the mechanical switch like you find in American Strats and Tellys and whatnot, but I mean, for less than $200. I think this was on sale for like $109, but I guess they got to keep a budget in mind. So they want to make $1. They want to give us a good deal. So you know they cut corners and whatnot where it counts. It looks like they didn't cut any corners on the fit and finish of this thing. I mean, I'm not seeing any horrible gaps or anything. I mean, no gaps, no. The neck is just about perfectly flush with the pocket there. I'm not seeing any corners cut in the overall look. I'm sure some of these parts are budget. Like, you know, the switch, pots might be alpha pots maybe, possibly, but it seems like these pickups sound really nice. Let's move on to the bridge, guys. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Strings are still new and they're still stretching a little bit. got my finger on there all the way. Alright, now we're staying on the Humbucker Bridge and we're going to put on some overdrive here, the Sonic Cake Blue Screamer. And we are back on the crate amp here, the crate GX15R. Now we're back on the middle position still with overdrive. My rhythm's off. I hadn't had my coffee yet. I pulled the string off accidentally. It's nothing wrong with the guitar, it's my playing. Anyway guys, move on to the neck here. Cleans up very nicely. I roll the volume back to about 4. Well, now we're on 10. Oopsie. Still has a little drive at 5. Let's bring it back down to about 3.5 or 4. Barely on the edge of breakup, but the drive is probably about 8 o'clock, set on 8 o'clock. You know, the drive dial on the Sonic Cake there. We're in the normal overdrive mode. With that pedal there has a feature. It says like normal and loud or whatever like that, but I've read up on it and it's actually, that loud is actually a double style circuit. And for less than, right around 30 bucks or less, oh wow, you can't beat that pedal, guys, I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys, well, let's see here. I think I've made enough noise. Let's hope that no one called the police. And that would be pretty bad. I'm not going to make it to work today. I'm in jail. What? Oh, well, that disturbed the peace of my horrible plane. Anyway, guys, I want everyone to do me a huge favor. Have a great day. Have a great night wherever you are. This is Birdman 316, and always remember, guys, get me rock signal correct here. Keep rocking and make the world a better place, guys. Sayonara.